Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. This is Christy, and today's recipe is a cheesy chicken chili, or chicken cheesy chili, or something like that. We got the recipe from someone, and they had a really long title for it, and so we just say cheesy chicken chili or either chicken cheesy chili when we're talking about it. So, okay, enough rambling about what the name of it is. Okay, let's, first of all, if you are not interested in this step, I will put what time I actually start making the chili, but we do not buy ranch dressing packets for this recipe. The dressing packets have anti-caking agents in it and preservatives to keep it shelf stable. So this, you're actually going to make it, and after you make the mixture, you can put it in the refrigerator and it'll last a really long time. According to the recipe where I found this ranch seasoning packet mix, you can put it in the refrigerator and keep it for 3 months. I'm going to put this together, and again, if you're not interested, you can fast forward to where I actually start putting together the slow cooker meal. Okay. 1/3 of a cup of the buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of parsley, almost 1 teaspoon of salt. You know, I never put the full amount in there if you follow us. 1 teaspoon of chives, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of onion flakes, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. That's going to give it that, the onion flakes and the onion powder is going to give it that ranch taste that you're used to. And 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 1.5 teaspoons of dill weed. And you just mix it together. So here's the recipe. First, we're going to start by spraying our slow cooker. The recipe did call for chicken thighs, but we just find it easier a lot of times to find chicken breast. So we've got 2 cans of Rotel. Joel doesn't like things really hot like I do, so I try my best to get mild for him. We're gonna put 2 cans of corn. I always get no salt added because in my opinion, we tend to, between the other things that we put in there, including Rotel, we're getting plenty of salt. We don't need salt in the beans and corn as well. So I do try to buy no salt added just to help control the salt. If I need to add more salt, I can. If it doesn't taste like it has enough salt in it, we can add more. Black beans as well, no salt added. So you do drain and rinse those. Remember the ranch seasoning mix from earlier? It's going to be 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, whoops, I think I was 6. Anyway, so we got a little bit left, and we'll be saving that for the refrigerator to use on other things in the future. 2 tablespoons of cumin, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Also, and these are optional, 1 to 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 to 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. And then the final thing in this recipe is 2 8-ounce packets of cream cheese. Normally when you're using a slow cooker, you want to keep the lid on the whole cooking time to keep it steaming, because every time that you take the lid off, you're lowering the temperature inside the slow cooker. But in this particular recipe, they actually recommended, if you were home, to open it up every once in a while, maybe like 2 times, and just mix around your cream cheese so that it's good and blended. But if you don't, you can just leave it till you know, like if you're putting it on before work, you can do that when you get home before you serve it. I always forget to do this, but it does say to mix this together before you put the cream cheese on top, but I always forget to do that, and it really it really does not matter. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this slow cooker on low for 6 to 8 hours. Well, that is it for this week's Recipe of the Week video. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you think that you'll be trying it, be sure to comment below and let us know. Also, be sure to like and share and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And until next time, this is Christy with The Long Run with Joel and Christy saying, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.